I am going to be making a dog bed. Do it yourself, kind of Etsy version. Catch is it's indestructible. So you can get the fancy embroidered fur dog beds, and you can't make them at home. But for the extreme case like mine, my dog rips that up, and plus it costs a lot. So under $25 you can make an indestructible dog bed, and I'll show you how. You'll need 3 things. 1, the glue. And this is a wood glue because we use a type of fabric where it's so strong, it's called a painter's drop cloth. Get it at Home Depot, it costs about $13. Second item, $13. So $2, $13, that's $15. And the last item, tuna fillet is something that doesn't have too much move around. So if he shakes it a lot, then it will kind of wear more. So this is a mattress pad, and these can be really expensive, especially if you're buying it for a dog. It could be around $300. This one, only $10. It's a twin XL, 72 inches, which means I'll cut it in half, fold it, and then put it inside the canvas bag to have inside the kennel. So yeah, basically that's it. So let's get started.